Right, okay. So the old trip to the lake, as I was saying earlier on, is not going to happen now because of the weather. It's much colder than expected. It's like 15 degrees right now, so I don't think I'll even be going in there. So we've decided to go for a little walk down to the main town. Oh wow! Look at that, guys. That. I'm not even sure if you can see that. That looks like a bit of a. Can you see that? Bit of a derelict property. Wow. I really want to go and see in there. Where's the door? Can you see that? Let me get some light out. Hold on a second. Get the old light on. Help you guys to see that if you can see it. Wow. That looks like a proper. Oh wow. Looks like somebody's been drinking in there. Can you see all them bottles? You know what? You know what? I really want to go in there. Let's see if we can find an entrance to this place. What's down here? Got to be an entrance or a doorway somehow to get in here. Aha! I think I found it. Just here. I'll tell you what. Get the old light out again. Let's go and have a look in here. Have a little look at this place. Oh wow, this is actually quite freaky. I have to be honest. Oh wow, look at that window. Wow. This is like a little porch area on the front of the house, if you can see. This is actually quite scary, I have to be honest. Oh wow. Oh look, there's an old brick fireplace there. Can you see that? Plenty of bottles on the floor there. Right, let's have a little look through here, shall we? Oh wow, look at that. I'm guessing this property used to have some kind of a basement, because whether you can see that or not, let me try and step down there. There's actually a bed in the basement and there's no floor anymore. Wow, take a little look at that, guys, if you can see that. I really hope you can see it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's through here. Okay. This is a real old property. Wow. Look at the roof. Gotta be careful where I stand here though, half the floor's missing. Some more bottles there. What's through here? Yeah, this is the old little bedroom of some kind. Wow, could you imagine that, guys? Somebody used to live here. If I step on here, be very careful now, I don't want to hurt myself. You can even see the old wallpaper on the walls, look at that. Wow. Someone used to live here at one time, God knows how many years ago. That may have been their sofa. And then that would have been their bed, I suppose. There's no windows here anymore. All the glass is gone. Awesome. I'd love to know the story behind this property. Who used to live here? And how long ago? That would be awesome. Wow, wow, wow. One more quick look in here just to make sure. That looks like down there. Oh no, it's the same room. I was wondering where the old bathroom may have been. You know what? looking closely at the walls here, it looks like there was a fire here. Again, you can see the old wallpaper on the walls there. And I'm guessing this may have been, by the looks of it, possibly the kitchen. I don't know why, it just feels like it could have been a kitchen at one point. Right, anyway, I need to get out of here and go and catch the old family up. Wow. How about that, guys? That was awesome. I really enjoyed that. Oh well, there's no way out. Oh wow, there's a dog over there somewhere. She just scared the crap out of me because I thought it was actually on this side of the fence. But right, let's find our way out of here and go and catch the family up. Oh, there we go, through it. Ooh, so careful where you walk here. Ground is terrible. Here we go. So yeah, let's go and catch the family up, and yeah, we'll have a little walk through the old town, because I know that they're ahead of me somewhere, very far ahead of me. Oh, I think they're sitting down actually waiting for me. But yeah, look at that house, guys, from there. If you can see that. Oh, that was awesome. I like that. I really enjoyed that. Like, see, you know, that's the kind of thing I like to see. Something different. I need a drink. I brought myself some Pepsi. It may not just be Pepsi though. It may have some rum in it. I mean, come on. Or did you expect me to walk out in the streets with no alcohol? Silly. Okie dokie, right. You know, I don't know whether it's just me or not, but I love this kind of setting. I mean, this village we're in at the moment is a population of around 2,500 people who live here. Everyone knows everybody. And like, for example, here is like a village hall type thing where, you know, you can organise parties or get-togethers type thing. But no, for me, I just love that. Here you go, guys, take a look at this quickly. Whether you can see this or not, I hope you can, but this is something really interesting for me because it's a really, really old USSR post boxes. It's where you get your letters posted to. Back in the day, you didn't get a post box, you got one of these. So you have to come out in the morning, walk down and grab your post. Obviously you've got houses around now, here and over there. Imagine that though, walking down in the morning to grab your post. Well, let's cross the road quick. But they're so rare these days, you don't see them very often anymore. Okay, I have to be honest, I'm quite drunk now after that little trip, but yeah, I'm just walking back to the house now, down a very small village lane, and yeah, let's see what adventures we get up to tomorrow. It's really cold now as well, and I've lost my lens cap for my camera, just to top things off. Oh well. See you soon. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me a lot. If you can do that for me, guys, I'll really appreciate it. Catch you next time.